Hi, I'm Christine Dunbar from SpeechModification.com. In this video, we'll look at how to pronounce Christmas. The word Christmas has stress on the first syllable. It should be long and the second syllable should be short. Christmas. Letter I in Christmas says I like pink pig. Be careful to avoid using an E vowel in the word Christmas. Letter A in Christmas says the sound, Christmas. Be careful to avoid using a vowel that sounds more like the letter A. The letters H and T are silent in the word Christmas. Christmas. When you can say the word Christmas by itself, begin to practice in phrases. Christmas tree. Christmas presents. Christmas movie. Merry Christmas!